welcome back to the show. If you caught the last episode, we talked about why not having an app in 2025 basically makes your business invisible. Today, I want to go deeper because this isn't just about technology or convenience. It's about psychology. Now, apps don't just help your business run smoother. They create habits. And once your brand becomes part of someone's daily routine, that's when you unlock real loyalty. But I want to ask you this. How many apps do you have on your phone? Probably 80, maybe 100. But if you're like most people, you only use about 20 or 30 on a regular basis. Think about that for a second. Those 20 or 30 apps, they're the brands that have successfully worked their way into your daily life. They don't need to fight for your attention anymore. They've already claimed a permanent spot on your home screen. That's the power of a mobile app. And it's not just a tool, it's a behavioral anchor. Let's take Starbucks. Almost a quarter of their transactions, 24% comes through their app. Not because people suddenly started drinking more coffee, but because the app made it so easy to order, pay, and rack up rewards. The app also became a part of their daily coffee ritual. Or if you want to look at Domino's Pizza, they were struggling years ago. Tons of competition, losing market share. But then something happened. They doubled down on their app. They didn't just sell pizza anymore. They became a tech company that happened to make pizza. Their app let people order in seconds, track deliveries, and even experiment with voice and emoji ordering. What happened? Customers got hooked. Not on the pizza, but on the experience. Now, Domino's turned ordering food into a habit, and habits are sticky. Once formed, they're incredibly hard to break. So why are apps so powerful at building habits? Well, it comes down to three things. Number one is ease. Apps remove friction. A single tap feels effortless compared to opening a browser, typing in a website, logging in, and searching for what you want. Number two, rewards. Everybody loves rewards. Loyalty points, push notifications, personalized offers. These small incentives keeps people coming back, just like a slot machine's little dopamine hit. Number three, repetition. Every time a customer uses your app, the behavior gets reinforced. And over time, it becomes automatic. They don't even think about competitors. That's why when you get someone to download your app, you're not just winning a transaction, you're winning a place in their routine. Now, I can hear some business owners saying, yeah, but my customers are loyal already. They don't need an app. Here's the problem. Loyalty without convenience is fragile. Let's be honest. Sarah from the last episode, her customers were loyal until a competitor gave them an easier way to get coffee. Convenience always beats loyalty. Now, customers are humans, and humans love shortcuts. If your app gives them one, you'll keep them. If someone else's app does, you'll lose them. It's really that simple. So here's what I want you to think about. How could an app for your business fit naturally into your customers' daily or weekly habits? If you're a coffee shop, it might be pre-ordering on the way to work. If you're a gym, it might be booking classes or tracking progress. If you're a retail store, it could be personalized recommendations or flash sales. The point isn't just to build an app. The point is to design it so it integrates into your customer's life. Because once it becomes a habit, you're not just another option, you are the option. That's a wrap for today. I want to leave this with you. Apps aren't just tools, they're habit machines. And once you've got a spot in your customer's daily routine, You've built loyalty that no price war can take away. In the next episode, we're going to talk numbers. I'll share stats and case studies that prove apps don't just feel powerful, they actually drive more engagement, more time spent, and more revenue. Now, if you found today valuable, hit subscribe, share this with another business owner, and think about this question. What daily habit could your business create if you had an app? I want to thank you guys for listening. See you in the next one.